Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Son. Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. And today, guys, we're checking out the Air Jordan 13 Wheat. Now, this is the 2023 pair. Don't get it twisted. But before we jump into today's video, huge shout out to Isaiah. If you want to check him out, his links will be in the description. He's got a lot of heat. Check him out on IG. Truly appreciate you over here, family. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit the subscribe button down below as we are on the journey to hitting 10,000 subscribers. You could be the subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, before we jump into today's video, guys, I am in the top 10. I did advance to the top 10 in the Supreme Sneakerhead, so huge shout out to all you guys for that. I am in second place in my bracket. Now, I'm not totally sure what that means, but that's where I am, and I truly appreciate it. You know what I mean? If you guys want to vote for me, every 24 hours you can cast a vote. Free vote. Links will be in the description down below. It'll be right on top for you. So, it's not going to be so hard. You know, you don't got to go through the description looking for it. But, yeah, man, second place. Like I said, if I win, I get $10,000, a flight to Los Angeles to meet up with the shoe surgeon and design my own sneaker, which would be insane. But anyway, guys, today we're going to be taking a look, like I said, at the Jordan 13 Wheat. Now, these actually drop tomorrow. I didn't even really realize, honestly, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. All the shoes coming out, I didn't even see these unless they just, passed me by, and nobody's been really talking about them. But these are definitely another sleeper of November. I have to say so myself. I do have the original pair, so you can see for yourself what that looks like. 04. Now, these are a little beat, don't get me wrong. Got a little hair in it. We don't like that. We don't want that. But now, taking a look, side by side. Hold on. Photos are taking a look side by side. These look pretty dope. This is crazy. It's really close, man. Maybe not so much the cut on this side, but it is pretty close. What do you guys think? These are actually dropping tomorrow, November 21st, on the Sneakers app. I've seen that too. Materials are pretty nice. Definitely tomorrow I'll be giving you guys a total, review and on foot. But overall, the shoe is very dope. Like, if you guys want to get a comparison to the original, just let me know in the comment section. I'll make that video, no problem. But these are actually very clean, man. They actually did a really good job on it. And, 13s are basically like in my top 3 silhouettes for Air Jordans. You know what I mean? I think it's very tough. It's 5, 4, and I think the 13. I really enjoy the 13, man. With the cat's eye in the back there, that hologram, that thing is so fire. It's also on the bottom as well. Very dope, very clean sneaker. Obviously, it's got that wheat for the fall. October, November months. But these are super clean all year round, if you ask me. Did you guys plan on picking these up? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Are you guys new to sneakers? Are you guys OGs? Let me know in the comment section. I love to, I love to know who I'm talking to, basically. So if you're new, let me know in the comment section. If you're an OG, let me know in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? This is really nice. It's got the, premium leather. You see that showing you up close. It's got all the fixings. I know it is the week of Thanksgiving. It's going to be a pretty short week. Obviously, work week-wise, it's going to be a short week, but this week we're still going to keep it going, keep the content, consistent. But anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section. Like I said, if you're going to pick these up, I'd love to know it. Stay tuned for the review and on foot, because that'll be dropping. Once again, huge shout out to Isaiah for dropping the shoes off. We truly appreciate you over here on the channel. Guys, let me know in the comment section how much we appreciate you. Thank you for bringing over the week 13s. But guys, I want to thank you guys, as I always do, for always tuning in, checking me out. I truly appreciate it. Spending, a little bit of your time with me, a little bit of your day. Thank you guys so much. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys.
What we do here is go back.